What a needy hound.
What do you want?
So, we're off to the Sawtooth Mountains, as in, oh, stupid dad joke. Anyway, so we're going to be boondocking along the river. What is it, the Salmon River?
Yeah.
We've got 2 or 3 site options that we've identified. Try and find the best one. Possibly only an hour and a half drive, but then if not, the next site is another hour and a half drive. So we'll see what happens. But I'm looking forward to, we haven't boondocked yet, really. We've had power every time, which is good because it's hot. We need to run the aircon. I'm guessing we're going to get cooler up in the mountains here. So hopefully we don't need the aircon, but if we need it, we run the Jenny and piss off our neighbours, you know how it is. Momo is doing great. The tyres are doing nicely. They're sitting on about 110, getting up to 120 psi on the heat of the day while we're driving. So far so good with the tyres. No blowouts.
Yay!
Always good to not have a blowout.
Oh, but you're getting good at it.
Blowouts? Yeah, I'm getting really good at blowouts. Lots of practice.
Are we gonna use the boat?
Yeah, well, we may pull out the boat. We've had this boat for 2 years now, I think, and we've used it once and it cost $1,000 secondhand. Maybe we'll use it today or tomorrow. Yeah.
We're gonna use the boat. You happy? Boy.
I'm not happy.
He's sleepy.
His grumpy face on.
He hates water. I don't know why.
Because the first time he went in water, it was freezing cold. To teach him how to swim, he's supposed to be a boat dog. Well, we got an RV behind us. There was one in front of us. And these boondocking sites, there's only 2 or 3 sites in each one. So it's a Sunday as well. God. Oh, look at this river. It's wild. It's probably going to be noisy.
Yeah. We can't use the boat there, B.
At least we can run the Jenny without disturbing the neighbours, because you won't hear the Jenny over that. So we're 5 miles to go, and there's another site probably another 3 miles on. Let's see how we go.
Wow, look at that. How can you use the boat? No way.
Well, it's a one-way trip, that's for sure.
You're gonna die. Like tip over easily. Wow.
Ah, this is, look, beating us to the side.
Oh, oh no. Also, Mama. Oh, he's trying to get this spot first. Sorry, baby. Oh, they didn't go, B. The RV went more forward. Oh. Oh no. That's the entrance.
Yeah. It looks really small.
What? I don't think.
Really small to maneuver around.
Hey, where are you going?
So we'll keep going to the next one and see what it looks like. Now we've looked at bus.
Ah, okay. So it's just near? The other Momo RV is going that way too.
I mean, that looks okay, but it's just really tight to get
Follow the
around.
road for 3 miles.
There it is.
Is he parked?
That's a bit ugly.
Oh.
It looks like the Momo, is it? Momo.
Oh, just one. So there's a lot of space.
But it's a bit ugly. The other one looks nicer.
Could it? But maybe it's too small. So what do you want?
Well, this is a spot where we could turn around.
Okay.
I think the other spot's better, yeah?
You think so? You think we can fit there? You said it's...
I know, it's tight.
Well, we can still turn around.
What we could do is go in, stop, and then I'll get on the bike and, I could just walk it.
Yeah, it's not
It's
big.
pretty small. If we had the internet, we could look at, Google Maps satellite and see how many big sites there are. You can see where he is, it's a small site. And I think from memory, there is 1 or 2 big sites there. But it's not so pretty. I think the other one was better. Go back to the other one.
He wants to go out.
Wow, it's a big drop off.
Yeah. Can you just park here?
Oh, it's a fee area.
What do you mean? We need to pay.
Yeah, I didn't think you had to pay.
Mm-hmm.
It said free when I was.
Uh-huh.
Let me just go, because I don't like the look of this road already.
Yeah.
It's real skinny. So let me just go have a look. Well, the road is doable. It's not so bad. Let's just walk this out and work out what this price thing is, because as far as I knew, it was free. Lovely spot, actually. I'm liking it. The river's not too loud. Well, just found the sign. $10 a night, which is, perfectly reasonable. There's water here, like, we can refill water tanks. That's nice. There's a nice spot that's big enough for Momo. River access is not great because it's just too fast flowing. So we were hoping to teach Oakley how to swim. Not going to happen here. The access is pretty good. Some low trees just here, right here, but it doesn't look too bad. Here, have a look. I think they're definitely going to brush Momo, but it looks pretty thin, so that's all right. So it's an hour and a half to the next site, which is similar to this, apparently. I could go either way. It'd be good to get some more miles under our tires, because today was a pretty short day, hour and a half. Let's see what they want to do. Yeah, we can't do what we wanted to do in the river here. It's summer. We wanted to put the boat in. We wanted to teach Oakley to swim. And this is no good. I mean, maybe up there is no good either. But it's only an hour and 20 away and we'll find out. Going by these campgrounds, which are empty. Hopefully it's going to be empty up there too. At least it's further to our destination. Yeah, closer to our destination. Get some more miles. Should we go look at that one? What do you think? So let's do that. Now I'm gonna have to back up onto the road here. Could you go out onto the road and just slow traffic?
Okay.
See where the 55 sign is?
Yeah.
I need you up around there. Just get traffic to slow down.
Scary. So we are on our new campsite.
Yeah, we just drove
Yeah.
along and went, this is so beautiful country. The next campsite I see, I want to check it out.
Yeah.
Here we are.
It's more beautiful. Sorry, babe.
Much water. Apparently. I don't know. So we almost weren't going to come here. My wife wanted to go to the RV park. She's tired.
Because it's
Of
just one
boondocking.
day.
Oh my god, look at this butterfly.
Oh.
He's so pretty. Wow. But I said we got one more day. Let's do this one. So, definitely bear country.
Yeah.
And hopefully we get down right on the river.
Yeah.
It's actually warmish, isn't it? It's not cold.
Yeah, it's warmer here than
Yeah.
where we came from. So this is Montana, babe?
I think we're still in Montana. Yeah. You coming?
Yeah.
Come, buddy. All right. We are parked here in Montana. It's near a little town called Plains, Montana. It's west of Missoula. And it is goddamn spectacular. Look at this place. This is free boondocking. What's this river called again?
I think Clark.
Just down the road, this river turns into the Flathead River, which is amazing. It is so blue, it is just beautiful. But we've had a successful mission on my 13 days off work. We've traveled from Utah to here. What have we... Oh dear. Sorry, our son is in the chicken pose. We've traveled from Utah to Montana. Today is our last travel day. We are crossing the panhandle of Idaho. Did you know Idaho had a panhandle? I didn't realize this, but yeah, it does. The panhandle goes right up to the border of Canada, Idaho. Didn't know that. So we're going to cross that, and we are staying just to the north of Coeur d'Alene. That's where my family and Momo will stay for another 3 weeks when I go off to work. What did we do? We were staying in Mount Pleasant in Utah, which was lovely, and it was a reasonable price. The RV park was $700 a month, including electricity, so that was pretty cool. North through Salt Lake City up to the city of Oakley for Oakley's birthday.
We didn't know about that. We didn't plan to go there.
No, we just found it, and Princess said,
We have to go.
because it's Oakley's birthday.
Yeah.
So we did. That was cool. We went up to Twin Falls, Idaho. We hung out at Shoshone Falls. A nice day out. Then we hit the road again to go Craters of the Moon.
Yeah. I love that.
And that was very cool. That was an old lava flow. In fact, it looks really fresh, but it was 2,000 years ago. That was cool. Then headed further north to Salmon on the Salmon River. We stayed in one place there, and then just 1 hour further up. It was just so beautiful. We had to stay. And then we were thinking, should we just head straight to the RV park from there?
Yeah.
And I said, no, I want to go check out this place. And I'm so glad we did. It is beautiful. Right, so yeah, we've got another hour before we leave here, and we're out. Straight to the RV park in a little town on a lake north of Coeur d'Alene. It looks nice, reasonable price, $800 a month. I've got 1 day there, and then I go off to work the next day. So it's got to be done. The life of a YouTuber. I've been wanting to get this shot for 2 years, and it just doesn't happen very often. And that is a train going past on the rails. We've got a train line just here, and I want to fly the drone over the top of the front of the train and catch it as all the carriages come under. Of course, the digga will have to be a sound effect because the drone has no audio, you know. I'm now waiting. Been waiting for 30 minutes. Shh. Normally I'll hear, there's a crossing down there, I will hear the train horn as they pump their horn every time they go through a crossing. And that gives me, I've already timed it, gives me 2 minutes to get the drone in the sky and in position. So I'm ready and waiting. Finger on the trigger. I keep hearing trucks. There's a road over here, the trucks sound pretty similar without the horn. So I've already had a couple false alarms. I'm gonna get this shot. You wanna call it? We've been like an hour and a half.
And we already set up.
They seem to come every half an hour or 20 minutes really, but obviously they're having up. My wife thinks they're on a lunch break. You think that's it? Yeah. Yeah. Just like me in the aeroplane, I pull over for lunch, you know. I'm calling it. Let's pack up here. Damn. Never gonna get this shot. We even had an RV park right next to a railway line. I still couldn't time it because you can't see them coming. And then you can't set up. See, we're all packed up, hitched up, ready to go. Let's get out of here.